Hi friends, welcome to my channel and now let's get into the topic. Adolf Hitler. When you hear this sound, what is the thing that strikes in your mind? A mass brutal killer, right? And a bad dictator. All dictators are bad, but he's so bad. Okay. Every man is right when he thinks in his own way. But what made Hitler to think he is right? Are there any reasons? Yes. And this is known as Nazi anti-Semitism. But this is a whole view. And what is this? And what are the main points that Hitler used in his speech to influence the Nazi and the people over there? And now let's know them. There are mainly two conspiracy theories which Hitler and the Nazi party used to influence the people to make them against Jews. But what are those? The first one, when Hitler invaded Soviet Union, the British Prime Minister Winston Churchill announced on BBC that we will aid Soviet Union to fight against Hitler. But the Hitler had a big question in his mind, and he had a big question for everyone too. Why British, which is imperialist, would aid a communist? And they have two different ideologies and they also hate each other. But what made them to come together? And why an imperialist want to aid is communist? And Winston Churchill, a famous colonist, he despised communists so many times. But why he want to aid Soviet Union? For this, the Hitler and the Nazi party used to give in the speeches that Jews made this connection. Jews made the connection between the imperialist and the communist. They are doing this because they want the power in the European Union. But why do you think the British Empire made an ally with Soviet Union? If Hitler invades Soviet Union, what is his next target? Obviously, British Empire. So, they too made an ally. Conspiracy 2. And America used to say, America first. We first deal with our problems and we don't interfere into any wars outside America. But why America is concerned about Europe? Why America want to make an ally with Soviet Union, which is his dearest enemy? For this, Hitler had an answer. The New York City is a center of Jewish power. And the Jewish lobby caught the President of United States, Franklin Roosevelt, and they dragged him into the war. And also Hitler used to say that why America used to send their troops into the European Union and lost their soldiers. And they get nothing in the back. And as the war is going on between the Allies and the Axis powers, the air force of British and United States are destroying the cities of German. And they lost so many people in a big number. So the Hitler and the Nazi party used to say in the speeches, see, we told you the Jews are doing this for us. And this is what the Hitler and the Nazi party used to give in their speeches and tell against Jews. And I have a comment for you to read. Please read this. Most of the CEOs of the famous companies are Jews. And when coming to the Jews in the richest persons, in top 10, most of them are Jews. I think this intelligence in them made Hitler to make jealous of them. I think this is also a reason for Hitler to make hatred against them. Thank you.